Alam mo, this Phil Korean group is really very famous now. They're making waves and setting trends in Asia. So welcome back, Point 10!
둘, 셋! 안녕하세요! We are Point 10!
Wow! Ganyan ang Point 10. High energy palagi, di ba? But before they give us some news with regards to what they've been doing the past holiday season, let's get to know them again. Starting off with you, this beautiful young lady. What's your name again?
Hi guys, I'm Cool Vic.
Ayun, and
Hi guys, I'm Bubbly Yuju. Hi guys, I'm Milky Karin. Hi guys, I'm Shiny Sharian.
ayun.
Meron na talagang mga fans sa maski dito sa Pilipinas. I heard that our two Korean ladies here just came back from Korea. So welcome back in the Philippines.
Thank you so much.
You had fun last Christmas?
Siyempre naman.
Siyempre naman. Teka, tanungin naman natin tong dalawang naiwan. What have you guys been doing? Habang wala yung dalawa.
Sila.
Nagpapasarap po.
Sila nagtatrabaho. At habang nagpapasarap kayo, alam niyo bang kayo ay cover na to ng
Ayan, walang-wala lang.
dito sa Pilipinas to, di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, please don't forget to grab a copy of
MWH.
Yes. Available na po siya.
Most Wanted Hits. At meron sila dito at nandito sila sa likuran at may mga articles. So, ayan. That means, you know, pag nandito na yung picture ninyo, ibig sabihin, marami na kayong followers. How does that feel?
Sobrang masaya po. Sobrang thankful and grateful talaga. So many blessings talaga.
So what about the two of you? Ano ba? So far, the Philippines love you. How is that?
I love you too.
Ay ba?
Yung mga fans ninyo, okay ba sila?
Teka muna, ano naman ang aabangan sa inyo itong 2011? Anong yung ihahandog sa inyo mga tagahanga? What's up for you guys? What's new in store?
Point 10.
We have mall tours and campus tours and
We're planning to have an Asian tour. Yes.
And they're
Aba!
And-
Nako!
this
Hindi lang sa
year.
Pilipinas.
And they're also looking for boyfriends.
Palagi
But
ka
while
na
they're-
Asian tour.
While they're doing all of that, I think we have to hear them again. Anong kakanta nyo ngayon?
Shake it.
Shake it!
Shake it!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's shake it with Point 10!
This is right. All eyes, the green swallow. That girl. Oh yeah. Match. 4, 3, 2, 1. The world stops to watch when I start dancing. Everybody else kicking, of course. In the club, you're chilling, storming. Those hot like only boys go ooh ooh ooh.
Grabe.
Buhay 10.